Last few times we've tried to do a walk-around video on this, the keys are always up because it's always up for a test drive. Hello everyone, it's Thorncrest Ford's used car department, and today we want to do a quick walk-around video on this 2021 Kia Seltos EX all-wheel drive in silver gray. Let's see what we've got. It's just detailed again recently, so it's in very clean condition. Presents very, very well. Might have a nick, a little rub mark here or there, but otherwise this unit is in clean condition externally. Running on its painted 5-spoke alloy rims. Let's see how much trunk space we have here. Lots of space here. 60-40 back split. Gives you even more space. There you go. Easy enough to push down. Well, almost all the way down. You can see also it has the sunroof. Let's pull everything back. There we go. Does not have a power lift gate, but it really doesn't need one. One hand open close. Roof rails, always handy. Let's check the back seat. Of course, your standard twin cup holders on the armrest. And we have some nice vents, as well as a power port. Lots of foot space. Just so you believe me, I'm 6'4", and if I sit in the back, you can see that there's still a little bit of space there. Lots of head space. So plenty of room for a big guy like me or two guys like me in the back seat. Driver's area before we get there. Power windows, power door locks, power mirrors, yes. There we go again. Front driver's seat with the perforated inserts. Manual seat adjustments because you don't really need power. There's some adjustment to the steering wheel rake. Let's look at our center stack area. Nice shifter there, nice notchy, heated seats, heated steering wheel, drive modes, because this is, of course, all-wheel drive. Power ports, charge your smartphone. Buttons and knobs for your heating and air conditioning. If you look at the center stack, which is around an 8-inch touchscreen, you can see Apple CarPlay and Android Auto ready to go. Media and all menus there. I don't think this one has navigation, but then again, you don't really need it. And of course, the backup camera. Useful for everybody. Engine start stop. If you look at our instrument cluster, this unit has 87,737 kilometers on it. Let's go check the engine. Again, all-wheel drive. Really nice color, this silvery gray. I'm going to hold the hood up. This is a inline-4 double overhead cam, 16-valve, 2-liter that produces, if I'm not mistaken, 164 horsepower and 182 pound-foot of torque. Made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission and, of course, the all-wheel drive system. Engine is running nice and smooth as it should, very fuel efficient, ready to go. So if you're looking for a Seltos, this 2021 EX all-wheel drive has Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, has a sunroof, which of course I forgot to show you, and the roof rails is ready to go, and it's available now from Thorncrest Ford. Thanks for watching this.